Welcome, how's it going? Today I'm gonna teach you how to hide hashtags on Instagram. You've probably noticed that too many hashtags might clutter your content. To keep the reader focused on your compelling caption and to have a more polished account, you must need to know how to hide hashtags. Alright, let's just jump in. You just need to go to your Instagram and pick a picture. We'll choose this one. Next, you can go ahead and add any filters if you would like. I usually just go in and manually edit mine because I like this better. Okay, then we're done with that. So we just post our caption what we want to say. So let's put autumn. And then instead of putting hashtags right after, we'll tap 1, 2, 3 key and then hit return and then enter a piece of punctuation like a period, a bullet, a dash, whatever, and then hit return again and repeat these 2 steps. So I put some dots. And the key point here is to make sure you have these 5 dots and then your hashtags. And please make sure you use some related hashtags. And this is very, very important. So let's use autumn. Okay, then you wanna hit share. Okay, now we have just shared our photo. And you could see there are no hashtags. It's just our photo, which looks good and professional, clean, fantastic, right? People won't see your hashtags unless they hit more. This is how to hide hashtags in caption. You could do it in the comment area as well. Let's do it in this post I made earlier. After you upload your content as usual, and then you hit the speech bubble icon to leave a comment. Same as before, you need to make sure there are 5 dots. And then write out or paste the related hashtags you want to include. So let's use some food-related hashtags. And then hit post. So now you see we've already added our hashtags. You don't actually see any of these hashtags. You could only see their 3 dots, which means your hashtags are successfully hidden. Alright, these are 2 ways for hiding hashtags for a post. And then I'm gonna teach you how to hide it in your story. Alright, after you pick up a picture and then you put your hashtags. Make it smaller. And then hit the very left button of the keyboard. And all the hashtags are gone. And then you wanna send it to your story. And see, you couldn't see any hashtags. And this is all about hiding hashtags. What do you think? Easy? If you still have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comment box, and we're here to help. And we would love to know whether you found a way to make this work. Thank you.